In Norse mythology, we find the story about Odin and the runes. Odin hung for 9 nights on the world tree, wounded, in a visionary ordeal until he saw and took up the runes that are sacred symbols of sound and power. Runes weren't merely letters, they were vibrational forces that shaped reality. Through the act of symbol-making vibration, Odin transformed pain into wisdom, just as therapeutic writing converts trauma into integration. Neuroscience resonates with this mythology in a beautiful way. The runes mirror phonemic encoding, how specific sounds, vibrations shape neural patterns and emotional states. Baby laughter makes us all fuzzy warm. Odin's self-sacrifice represents neural reorganization through suffering, the principle of neuroplastic change following trauma and insight. Strong experiences can simply alter your way of processing in your brain. Chanting or writing runes parallels the integration when you perform a rhythmic expression connected with emotional intensity. Prayers in strong emotion will probably, even though you are very stressed, calm you down. Therapeutic writing is not only healing thoughts and feelings, but also your physical body. When you write, your stress response lowers, which reduces cortisol levels over time and improves immune function. Language-based emotional processing reduces limbic overactivation and restores homeostasis in the brain. So writing isn't just emotional catharsis, it's physiological regulation. Let's try Odin's way, not in hanging in trees, but transform pain into wisdom. Choose a traumatic experience. Sit the 20 minutes each time. Do this for 3 days or sessions.